end of your screen has been Sandro Rose. Sandro, thank you. But allow me to leave you with this story. Now, every year, Kenya loses at least 362 women out of every 100,000 live births due to various pregnancy-related complications. Maternal mortality in Lamu County stands at 676 women, almost double the national average. The newborn death rate is similarly high at 45 newborns out of every 1,000 live births, compared to 22 nationally. Properly equipped and staffed facilities is one of the ways to reduce or eliminate these deaths. And as Dr. Masikore reports from Lamu, the newly opened Bob Collymore newborn unit in Faza aims to do just that. Good night.
The Lamu Archipelago is a small group of islands in Kenya's northern coast bordering Somalia. The islands are Lamu, Manda, Pate, and Kiwayu. The blue skies and calm waters are a far cry from the state of maternal and newborn health in the county. This day we set out on a 150-kilometer journey by sea from Lamu to Faza Sub-County Hospital in Pate Island. This would be a similar journey made by mothers with their unborn babies or newborns in need of specialized services, but from Faza to Lamu. Such boats are the day-to-day means of transport. Mothers have lost their lives along the way. Some newborns did not live to see their first year of life. Overcoming the barriers of land and sea transport is one of the significant delays that cost mothers heavily as they try to give life to their unborn children. Faza Island is one of those far-flung areas that has cost mothers their lives, and children are not able to live to see their 28th day of life. Joyce Karisa is 26. She had just delivered via an emergency cesarean section, but unfortunately, she arrived too late to save her baby.
Nilikuja huku na pikipiki. Nikaenda kufanywa scanning. Walivyonaangalia akasema mtoto hachezi kwa tumbo.
She's still trying to come to terms with her loss. 19-year-old Bartuli, on the other hand, was just nursing her third child delivered via cesarean section. Her third and last one, she says.
Niliambiwa nisingoje kuumwa. Sasa mimi niliposhikwa na matumbo na mwoga. Nilikimbilia huku hospitali.
Lamu County is among those counties with the highest rates of maternal, newborn and child deaths in the country.
Ukanda wa mama wajawazito. Hili huitilafiana na mazingira ya asili ya mtoto katika tumbo.
Loss of babies due to neonatal sepsis and jaundice due to a lack of proper environment to house the newborn babies can be reduced or completely eliminated by the construction of a neonatal unit.
Every island almost needs to be self-contained in terms of end-to-end health facilities if you want to bring down the overall maternal death rates.
The county's plan is to fully support the project by bridging the staff gaps and any other recurrent expenditure that will ensure the sustainability of the project for the sake of Lamu's mothers and children.
Safaricom has equipped it for us. We have staff that are already trained on newborn care. We are going to redistribute them.
Wakija hapa walipokuwa ni health center, wanabidi wachukuliwe kwa racing boat, wapelekwe Lamu waende kufanya delivery.
With the newborn unit, this 69-year-old Faza Sub-County Hospital in Lamu East constituency hopes to adequately cater to the needs of the 50,000 people from Faza and other neighboring islands